everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another one. Okay y'all, the next stuff I have is candles. I almost forgot about the candles because I had so much body care. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that I bought that much body care, but I did. So yeah, sorry if y'all heard that rooster. If y'all can even hear that. But I was able to find some 75% candles, only two, not many. So this is wash and fold. This is wash and fold. And then the other one is sweet berry peony. So these were the only two candles I could find for a single wicks that was 75% off. Could not find anything else, so I'm satisfied with this. It is what it is, you know. These are two, well, this one I don't even own this one, so I was super happy to grab this one. So yes. And the next thing that I was super shocked to find was this candle. Oh my goodness, y'all. I showed this in my last video or the video before, I can't remember, but I was super shocked to find this. Wow, this sugar pecan pie, so good. This is so good, and I got it for $3. I could not believe it. I did not even know that it was gonna ring up for $3. I really didn't know that. I thought I was gonna get it for the 75% off, the $6.13. That's how much I thought it was gonna be. But when she rang it up, she was like, oh, that candle came up $3. I think she was a little bit mad. I don't know, but it was too late because she had already scanned it. So got that, super happy. Then another candles that I got for the 75% off, and these were $6.13, is the spiced vanilla cupcake. Spiced vanilla cupcake. I actually really like this candle, and every time I look at my collection, I always say, dang, why didn't I buy more of that candle? And I don't know why, but this particular time I was able to grab 4 of them. So I grabbed 4 for $6 and for $6.13. The next two that I actually got, I had already bought these, but I took them back to get a price adjustment because I had that 20% coupon, is the vanilla plus Santel. Love this. Y'all already know I love this candle, and I most What? Really? Oh my God. Y'all know. Whew. Okay. Y'all know I love this candle. So I had to grab it before they completely sell out or they take it off the shelf and I won't be able to get it. So I had to grab it. I had to grab this one. Sorry about that, y'all. That bee was on attack mode. No. not me. You're gonna have to move along. I'm just saying. And then because this candle is selling out in my area, I figure I better grab 2 more before it's completely gone. This one, this rose water and ivy and mahogany teakwood. This thing is selling out. I don't know if it's because the stores just didn't get a lot of this one. I don't know, but in my area, some of the stores is completely sold out. So I figured now is the time to just go ahead and grab it. You know, I got a total of 4 of them. I'm okay with 4. So yeah, so that was the reason why I grabbed this. And that's basically everything. That's everything I got from that last walk through. So yeah, let me know in the comments, are you done with semi-annual sale, or are you still shopping, or are you gonna wait to the very end of the sale and see what the stores have? I do know this morning the candles went to $10.95, I believe. I really want to go, but again, I really don't feel like it. I really don't feel like going to the stores because one, it ain't real. I don't really need anything. Yes, I should go to get some of that laundry collection, those single wicks. I really want those. You know, I really want that the fresh. I really want that fresh the fresh sheet sink. It's a waltz. I really want that candle, but it's not a big deal, y'all. Again, I have more than enough candles. I really need to be burning through some of my candles, so I really need to slow down a little bit on what I'm purchasing. Even though I love candles, but again, I need to slow down a little bit and really burn what I have, start blending more, and just start enjoying my candles and not let it not be all about the chase and trying to grab before Bath and Body Works pull the candles. You know, I really need to start enjoying them, the ones that I have. So if I go to the store and they have some of the single wicks that I'm looking for, I'm gonna be happy and I might grab them. But if they don't, it is what it is. It is what it is. You know, I just got to start enjoying what I have. So, whew, that bee got me a little jumpy. I'm just saying. So, y'all, yeah, leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, hit that notification bell. And that's it. That's it. That is all I have. And I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.